Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Back to the channel today guys, we will show you how to drain the coolant antifreeze on Mazda CX-7 2.3 turbo. The 2.5 might be closed procedure, and the diesel in Europe and Asia might be closed as well, but we're demonstrating on gas 2.3. Stay with us guys, many videos to come on that since we're doing an engine replacement. Stay with us and let's go ahead and start on it. So the drain plug is a little bit different than most of the cars. It's actually a bolt. It's not one of those twisty things that you twist and it comes loose. It's a regular bolt. And let me show you where exactly it is. If you go under the car right there, okay, and with a 12mm socket, that's where the bolt is. Go ahead, take it loose. When you get it tight, just make sure you don't over tighten that thing because it's plastic and you can crack it. Okay, and once you get the bolt loose, you need to remove it all the way. We recommend using gloves guys. Don't get coolant on your hands like we do. Okay, so we went ahead and we got gloves since it's going to be quite a bit of a mess. And it doesn't go by hand for some reason, that little thing. Okay, you can see it started a little bit, but it's really inconvenient to get it. Okay, we're getting ready for the big mess now. It is not very convenient the way they thought about that. It's easy to remove, but you always have a big mess. Okay, we remove the bolt now, and you can see that's what it looks like right there. It's draining, but what you need to do now, it's creating vacuum. You need to go on top and open the radiator cap. Okay, and you can hear what's happening down there now. It's draining like crazy now. So if you need to flush the system guys, drain the coolant, that's how you do it. We're gonna give it about 10 minutes to drain good. Alright guys, when it's done draining, you need to install the bolt and you need to fill up the system whenever you're ready. We'll have a video how to bleed the cooling system on that Mazda CX-7 so you don't overheat the engine, which could be very expensive. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.